guys, this is Miss A, your classy beauty savvy, and today I just decided to recreate a very fresh look of Kathryn Bernardo. I saw it on Instagram and I instantly wanted to try it and give it a try and make it as an inspiration for today's tutorial. So I'm gonna flash her video or picture right here, and that is our inspiration. So, if you want to see how I did this look, this fresh look lang, and stay up until the end of the video. See you then! I've already moisturized my face at ngayon, itatali natin tong buhok ko para hindi siya hulog ng hulog. The first thing that we need to do is to put some foundation on. I've done my moisturizing, my favorite aqua moisturizer. You know that already. Now I'm gonna use my Fit Me foundation in Matte Plus Poreless. You know, ang dami kong blemishes lately. I don't know. It's maybe because of my period. The time of the month again, ladies. So we're just gonna apply this and hopefully makonceal natin tong mga blemishes ni Madam. Gusto ko tong matte plus poreless foundation because it applies so smoothly at ang gaan-gaan niya sa skin. Parang hindi ka nag-foundation pag suot mo siya, guys. Sobrang nice. Ayan, medyo na-concealan niya yung ating darkness over there. Pero, hindi pa ako makokontento. Maglalagay pa tayo ng concealer. Maybelline New York Fit Me in Light. Of course, itotodo natin to dahil fresh na fresh si Kathryn doon. Dapat fresh din tayo dito. So, I'm gonna try to conceal those, pero parang mali yung ginawa ko. Anyway, we're going to use a paddle brush for that. And we're just going to conceal the deal. Para mawala itong mga pa-eye bags natin. We're gonna set it with my favorite Nichido powder. Final powder. There we go. We're gonna do our eyebrows off cam. Gonna link na lang yung aking tutorial before up in the iCard or down in the description box for you to see it. Hey, I'm back! Ngayon, to achieve her natural looking eyebrows, I'm just going to brush my hair up. And if you notice, hindi ko na rin nilayan yung inner corners ng ating eyebrows just to make sure na makita pa rin yung natural hair natin. Gonna brush it up. Ayan. Nakakarinig kayo ng batang umiiyak? That's my pamangkin. I'm so sorry. Now, on her lids in this picture, super duper ano lang siya. Parang may satin finish lang or shimmery na eyeshadow. Wala masyadong pasabog dun sa kanyang mata. Very natural lang. Ang na-emphasize lang doon ay ang kanyang very beautiful lashes at ang kanyang contact lens. Since I don't wear contact lens, I don't have it, we will just use yung, papagandahin na lang natin yung ating lashes and our eyeshadow. So, I'm gonna get this, my favorite Uncover 2 palette, and we're just gonna get this very nice na rose gold shade right there. So, I'm just gonna get my, ito din, ring finger na lang, and we will just use it para sa ating lids. Ganyan lang yan. Super simple lang. Nothing so extra. Now we're just gonna curl the lashes and we will put on our mascara and false eyelashes kasi gusto ko maging extra long yung aking lashes. go. Put some mascara on, and I'm gonna use this Taiwan lashes. Hope you can see it. Medyo bright, but this is the Taiwan lashes I've had, and I have this natural looking lashes. Yan. So ito yung gagamitin natin. There you go, guys. Medyo challenging siya kasi hindi ko nilagyan ng eyeliner yung lashes or yung aking mata bago ko lagay yung lashes, because we have to make sure na it looks natural pa rin. So, ayun na siya. Looking good. Now, we're going to do the lashes sa baba using my handy dandy. Go. Looking good. Now, we're going to get that look na medyo blushed. So, gagamitin natin itong mga blushes ko dito, oh. Brownish. So, we're gonna use this. Apply dito sa ilalim ng ating cheek. Para kumulay siya. Itong pinkish na may glitters. We're gonna apply this on top, on our cheekbone. Make it look nice. Tiny bit on our nose. Gonna use this again from Maybelline Rich Ruby. Nahin mo sa inner corner. Ayan. And then just fade it out. And there you have it, ladies. I hope you liked this video. Super duper fun, simple, and very fresh looking lang siya, diba? Everybody can sport this. You only need minimum amount of makeup and products. You don't need to buy some expensive makeup just to pull this one off. Super nice. And if you actually have a setting spray and other like highlighter, you go, girl. Do it, use it, just to make this look last even longer. I hope you like this. I hope I helped you in pulling off or giving you an idea on how you can sport a very simple, fresh looking makeup. So perfect for summer na rin, since summer is fast approaching. This can also be a perfect makeup look for you guys to try. So, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you again on the next video. Stay fresh, everyone. See you then.